Unraveling the phrase, pull back. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into the phrase, pull back. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means, but also how and when to use it. So, let's get started. The words, pull, and back, individually have their own meanings. When we say, pull, it usually means to draw or drag something towards ourselves. Back often refers to a direction towards the rear. So, when combined, pull back can literally mean drawing or dragging something towards oneself and in the direction of the rear. Example, she had to pull back the curtains to let the sunlight in. Beyond its literal meaning, pull back has various figurative or metaphorical meanings. 1. Retreat or withdraw, often used in military contexts or general situations to mean a retreat from a particular position or stance. Example, the troops were ordered to pull back to a safer location. 2. Refrain from doing something, when someone is about to take an action but then decides against it. Example, I was going to comment, but I decided to pull back. 3. Reveal or expose. In certain contexts, pull back can be used to mean revealing a truth or some information. Example, it's time to pull back the layers and see the reality. Understanding synonyms can provide a broader context. Here are some synonyms for pull back: retract, withdraw, retreat, recede. Each of these can be used in specific contexts, but they all convey a sense of moving away from a particular position or point. While pull back seems straightforward, there are common misunderstandings. 1. Physical action only. Some might think it only refers to a physical action, but remember, it can also be used metaphorically. 2. Always negative. While pull back can indicate retreat or withdrawal, it's not always negative. Sometimes pulling back is a strategic decision or even a way to gain a better perspective. And there we have it. Pull back is a versatile phrase with both literal and figurative meanings. Remember to think of the context it's used in, as that can greatly influence its meaning. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of pull back. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using it like a pro.